Are you wondering which AI chatbot framework is better for businesses, Dialogflow or Rasa? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into both platforms and help you figure out which one suits your business needs best. But stick around, because I'll also reveal an alternative that might be the perfect fit for your business goals. Let's start with Dialogflow, which is owned by Google. One of its main selling points is its user friendly interface and powerful integrations with other Google services. It's an excellent option for businesses that want to quickly deploy a chatbot without needing to dive too deep into the technical aspects. Whether you're building a simple FAQ bot or something more complex, Dialogflow is designed for scalability. Next thing, let's talk about Rasa. Rasa takes a very different approach. While Dialogflow is more of a plug-and-play solution, Rasa is open source, offering businesses full control over their chatbot's functionality. Rasa's flexibility is fantastic for teams that want to customize their chatbot's behavior at a granular level. It's perfect for businesses that need a highly tailored solution but requires a deeper technical understanding. The third thing to consider is pricing. Dialogflow offers a free tier, but as you scale, the cost can increase quickly, especially if you're leveraging more advanced features. Rasa, on the other hand, is open source, so it's free to use, but there can be hidden costs involved in terms of server infrastructure and the technical resources needed to manage it. Next up, let's talk about NLP, natural language processing. Dialogflow shines here with its deep integration into Google's ecosystem. It's powered by Google's AI, which means it offers some of the best NLP capabilities out there. It's also capable of understanding multiple languages, which is a huge advantage for businesses operating internationally. Rasa also offers strong NLP, but it's a little more reliant on your own training data and configuration to get the best results. So, while Rasa can be just as powerful, it might take more effort to get there. The fifth thing to think about is support. With Dialogflow, you're backed by Google's vast support resources, including documentation and community forums. This can be a big win for businesses that need a lot of assistance getting things up and running. Rasa's support is more community-driven, and while their documentation is solid, you might find yourself troubleshooting more than you would with Dialogflow. Now, let's wrap this up with something important: scalability and deployment. Dialogflow integrates easily with many platforms like Facebook Messenger, Slack, and more, allowing for quick deployments. It's ideal for businesses that need to get their chatbot live fast. Rasa, though, offers a bit more flexibility in terms of deployment options since it's open source. You can deploy Rasa to any cloud or on-premises infrastructure, which gives you greater control over data privacy and security. In conclusion, both Dialogflow and Rasa are great AI chatbot frameworks, but they cater to different needs. If you're looking for a quick, easy-to-use solution that integrates well with other Google services, Dialogflow is probably your best bet. But if you need a highly customizable, open-source solution and don't mind getting your hands a little dirty with the setup, Rasa might be the way to go. However, after trying both platforms myself, I found a better alternative for businesses that want a seamless chatbot experience. If you're looking to get the most out of your AI chatbot while saving time, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So don't wait. Take advantage of the free trial today and see how this alternative can elevate your business.